measure that we use has been around for a number of years, and it's been tested both in having teachers look at the items, students have reflected on the items. And what we have found is that for this particular instrument, it really hits the kind of lived experience of the students. And so it turns out to be something more meaningful for them to complete. And so we're finding a lot less students who are, and certainly with any self-report, there's going to be some outliers. But interestingly, we get a lot less resistance and a lot less outliers with this particular instrument. But again, the proof is really more in the sense that if there is noise, if they're just randomly responding, we wouldn't find these consistent patterns where they can discriminate even 3 years down the road because the data would be too noisy. So it is telling us that there is some veracity to the way in which the students are reporting their results.
Okay, and one last question. A couple folks wanted a little clarification or more details on the district that this study was conducted in. So I don't know if you have any kind of overview stats on Denver Public Schools in terms of their profile.
Yeah, I can. Just one second. Jan, can you go ahead and flip to the next slide just so they can see the other part of the resiliency skills? There they are. So yes, this would be your larger urban district, a large percentage of African American, Latino. The sample was skewed towards lower income youth in terms of the population, again, consistent with a large urban population. So from our standpoint, it's pretty consistent with a lot of the districts that we work with, between Broward County and you heard Sunnyside and some of the others that in these larger urban areas, we've really been trying to focus the curriculum for sure with lower income and large population settings. But yeah, so it's racially diverse, economically diverse. We also, this is done in Spanish, so